But no one's knocking you for that. But overall, how do you rate the performance?
I think we did awesome. I mean, the kids are, they have their accent, but I mean, we leave our heart on stage every time we perform. So it's what we love, and I think we did amazing. Hopefully, America sees it, that we love it, and votes us through.
All right, America. If you want all Real Sports to go into the finals, call 1-866-60-AGT-07. That's 1-866-602-4807. Or go online